It's May 14th, 2023. As you can see, I have set up the automatic watering system. Let's start the update with the peony. The flower buds are getting bigger and you can start seeing the inside of the flowers, the pink petals specifically. And the lavender flowers are still forming. You can see there's a lot of flowers all over the plant. The grape is looking very good, lots of leaves and also a lot of flower buds. These are the flowers. Not sure if they're gonna open, but we'll see. You can see there's a lot of flower buds all over the plants. Blueberry is looking good too. More flowers are opening. The green onion flowers are going to open soon. You can see some of them have opened. Gonna clean up the rhubarb. Here's the mulberry. All the flowers are still looking fine. And here's the asparagus. This one is getting super tall. But yeah, you can see the asparagus sprouts are all forming, and some potatoes are growing from the asparagus pot. Here's the sad asparagus sprouts. And over here's the raspberry. Flowers are still forming. They should open pretty soon. And here's the California poppy. You can see the flowers have opened. Well, they're closed now because it's close to evening. But a lot more flower buds are forming. And here's the beet. You can see the flowers are still forming. And the stink bug. The broccolini flowers are turning into seeds now. As for the hydrangea, this is the first sign of flower buds forming. I'm not seeing flower buds from other new growths yet. And here you can see the serviceberry. Flowers are turning into fruits now.